Hello guys, welcome to my channel again right now. That today I'm going to showing you guys what are different or how to use ask, borrow and lend. Alright? We're gonna say like how to use borrow and lend. So everyone, do you know how to use borrow and lend? If you are not knowing yet, please go with me. Alright? So borrow and lend, they are have the same meaning. Okay? They are have the same meaning. The same meaning. Alright. They are have the same meaning. But the different thing that you're going to use is, for example, borrow. We use for borrow something from somebody. It means you are borrow something from somebody. For example, I borrow your bicycle. Like I borrow your bicycle. So it means you take it. Alright? It means borrow is means you're gonna take it. Take a bike from your friend. Like you're going to borrow it and you're gonna take it to your from your friend. Alright? It means you are borrow it from your friend. Alright? And borrow is different from lend. It just lend, it is referring to what that you are going to lend somebody to, lend something, lend something to somebody. It means you're going to lend somebody something. For example, I lend my course to my friend. I lend my course to my friend. It is what that you are going to lend someone something, like you are going to lend something to somebody, like for them, right? Yeah. And another one is mean lend, like the same thing too. Then you're gonna say that you are going to lend somebody something, like you are borrow somebody something. For example, lend me your bicycle. Value, lend me your bicycle. Value. It means you are going to lend somebody or something. Okay? You are going to lend somebody a thing. Okay? Yeah. Lend somebody something. Yeah. It is about what are using that we can say like the meaning of using lend and borrow. Alright? Yeah. So let's repeat again. Borrow and lend are the same meaning, but borrow they are 2 points that you should know. That you're gonna say like borrow is referring to something from somebody. It means what that you are borrow something from somebody. And borrow is like take. You're gonna take it. Okay, you're gonna take it. And lend, they have 2 points. Lend somebody to lend something to somebody and lend somebody something. Alright. For example, again, like lend something to somebody. It means you are going to take it to somebody to lend it. It means you're going to take it to. And somebody, lend somebody something. It means you are going to ask them to lend it to. It means when they are here, you are going to lend it and go. Alright. Yeah. It is about a bit of using or about the meaning of using lend and borrow. Alright, so if you want to know more from me guys, you can just comment below and ask me a question that you all wonder. Okay, so before I'm gonna finish off that, I would like to say like thank you for watching my video and welcome to my channel. That I'm referring to showing about English skill that related to my technique of my major that are completely referring to technique teaching English as a foreign language. So thank you guys for watching my video again. Comment below if you all want to know from me. Thank you guys.